Hello guys, welcome to our channel Knowledge World. Guys, today we are going to discuss about prepositions, right? What is preposition? In very short, within very few minutes, we will discuss about the preposition, right? So what is prepositions? Let's start. Prepositions. A preposition is a word such as on, from, with, in, or for. Are used to link noun and pronoun in sentences. The word linked to are called objects. Like the cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. Where is the cat? Under the table. Under is your prepositions and table is your object. Where is the cat? Under the table, right? So this is your prepositions. It always between the noun or pronoun. List of prepositions. There is few list of prepositions like about, above, after, among, around, before, behind, in, out, of, through, with, right? These all are prepositions. Notice you can have a preposition phrases like preposition plus object. A prepositional phrases can function as adverb, adjective, or noun. Prepositional phrases are a group of words like on the bus, on it, from lucky, from her, with some relatives, with them. These are prepositional phrases. Like this is on your preposition or phrase with two words, the bus, on the bus. He is standing on the bus. He is sitting on the bus. On is your preposition and it is phrases to, on, to, from Lucy, from her. Like these are all prepositional phrases. Move to next. Like this, the girl was running under the rain. The girl was running under the rain. So under the rain, this is your prepositional phrases. Under is your especially the preposition and the run is your adverb, or you can say the noun. That's why it is noun prepositional phrases. Under the rain, right? Okay, next there is few questions are there for you. Use the object pronoun on the left to complete the prepositional phrases in the sentences. Irma's brother Jimmy came along with them. Prepositional phrases. Animal look out. Animal look out from the woods at him. Mario toss a rope around the corner. Like that. We are not afraid of dash, said Anna. We are not afraid of the lions. Like that we have to feel for practice, right? These are few questions for you. Just choose and fill the gaps. Okay, this all. So this is complete about preposition. Hope you guys got little bit about what is prepositions in very short. So see you again in next video. Till then, be happy, stay at home.